What are you doing?
Shit. Go for it.
See something in there. Give it a couple pumps.
Yeah, I can run the throttle. Fire's up, man. Nothing too horrible, eh?
Huh. I mean, she sounds a little more rowdy than what my Mustang sound like.
Yeah. Not too shabby.
What do you say? Tack gauge works?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is set up for dual return springs. I'd like to see dual return springs, just because I get into the safety, obviously. But realistically, she ain't bad. Let her run a little bit. Let her get up to temp. That might help us find some leakies. And then maybe we'll put her back up. Put a clip on that clutch pedal and see if we can maybe go around the block.
Oh, you didn't drive it here?
No, it came in on the hook.
Gotcha. Alright. See how it goes?
Yep, we'll check out in a couple
Alright,
minutes. Alright. You hear a little valve train noise? Probably just need the rocker adjustment. Don't even know what's under there yet. We're not going to get into that until it's time, obviously. But they probably need to reseal anyway, so they have to come off either way. The temp gauge, it's funny, yesterday, when the car showed up, it was sitting, it came off the tow truck, and the temp gauge is at 130. You know it wasn't running. The temp gauge is sitting at the bottom now. I mean, it's a mechanical gauge, but... It's working now? Yeah. We got 164, 165 in the thermostat housing. What's the gauge say inside? Yeah, that's about right.
160.
160. Yeah. All right, so gauge working. Good.
Oh, can't see it. So that sounds probably about right. Probably got 160 thermostat in it.
Yeah. Radiator's 120. Coming into the radiator.
17 and 120 coming out.
Yeah,
That's not horrible.
That's efficient. That's efficient, baby. All right.